സ്റ്റെയർ കേസിലോട്ട് വെള്ളം കയറിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നു. കണ്ടല്ലോ, പ്രാർത്ഥിക്കുക.
Kerala floods, we came to know due to the very heavy rains, incessant rains that occurred in that area. We got to know about that through the weather reports. So August 8th onwards, we went on imaging Kerala, whichever passes were available both from our own Indian remote sensing satellites as well as from the international sources. Since there were very heavy clouds, we had to depend only on the microwave remote sensing data. All the microwave remote sensing data available to us, we tried to take them and use them in that area, and we went on providing almost on a daily basis, you can say near real time images, interpreted flood maps and inundated areas with maps showing the place names and other areas named on that, so that makes it easy for the state authorities to utilize it. We were directly providing this inputs to the state disaster management authority as well as to MHA and NDMA, and there was a very good coordination between MHA, NDMA and SDMA to see that the state gets all the necessary benefits out of these images. And I should say that they utilize these images pretty well on a regular basis, because which are the areas getting very heavily inundated, and they were able to divert their attention to those areas for management of floods. That's one very positive thing that happened. And not only that, even after the flood started receding, we continued to give the pictures until recently, so that they exactly know which areas they have to prioritize, and where the flood water is still remaining, so that that area is more affected, they could easily evacuate, identify the places where they can evacuate the people. While doing so, because we had time series data available, we were able to give them continuously flooded area versus temporarily flooded area by superimposing multiple flood images on GIS, gave them those GIS inputs which are being even used today, so that they know which area receded fast, which area could not recede fast. That was the advantage of these pictures.